Children, good morning. Today we shall see the exercise of the poem topic Where Do All the Teachers Go? Written by Peter Dixon. Page number 68. Question number first. Why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? The poet wants to know about the teachers because the teachers are special for the poet, for small children. Second of first, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? Normal people see the TV, they change their dress, they wash their socks, and they take simple food. Third, what does he imagine about where teachers live? He thinks that teachers may be living in their family. What they do at home? What they do at home? They change their dress, they pass their time in their family. The people with whom they live, the people with whom they live with their parents, with their family members. Their activities when they were children in schools. When they were children, they also might be doing the same thing as the small children do in the class. They might be eating chocolates. They might be sometimes telling the wrong spelling. Fourth, why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? The poet wonders if teachers also do things that other people do because he thinks that the teachers are extraordinary, special persons. They are special persons for the children. How does the poet plan to find out? What will he do once he finds out? The poet plans that one day he will go after a teacher and he will find out his deeds, about his works, etc. What will he do once he finds out? He will write a poem and the children will be benefited by the poem. What do you think these phrases from the poem mean? Punished in the corner. When the children do wrong, they will be given punishment by the teacher in the corner of the class. Leave their green. Sometimes some children leave the vegetables, they don't take the lunch full. Consequently, they scatter it here and there. Sometimes, no doubt, they put it in the dustbin also. Thank you, dear children.